Sri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram Ram Lakhan Siya Sundar Shyam Bandau Sant Saman Chit Hit Anhit Nahi Koi अंजलिगत शुभ सुमन जिमि शम सुगंध कर दोई आसंत सरल चित जगत हित जानि स्वभाव स्नेहु बाल विनय सुनि करी कृपा राम चरण रति देहु जड़ चेतन गुण दोषमय विश्व की न करता संत हंस गुण गहई पय परिहरि बारी विकार Shri Goswami Tulsidas Ji Maharaj says, I bow my head most reverentially before saints and holy men of immaculate virtues and noble characters who have equanimity and maintain evenness of mind under all circumstances, who have no friend who will favor them or any enemy who would harm their interest, because they treat everyone alike and see the same Atmic consciousness in all of them, just like the case of the flower that lends its fragrance equally to the hand that had torn it away from its tree, which was its habitat. That is, harm the flower by shearing it from its home and depriving it of further nutrition and chance to live, and the hand that kindly, lovingly and caringly holds it on its palm. Just like this flower, a saintly person wishes good of all, both of those who harbor ill will against him as well as of those who like and serve him. True saints are of a pure and simple heart, without any kind of deceit, conceit or pretensions whatsoever. They are universally a well-wisher of the whole world and never think of any harm to it. Recalling their kind and gracious nature and their natural affection for all the creatures, wishing the good of all without exception, Sri Tulsidas Ji says that he is inspired and encouraged to pray to them so that they can hear his earnest, childlike plea and grant him the boon of having steady and robust devotion and affection for the holy feet of Lord Sri Ram. The Creator has made the mortal world consisting of animate and inanimate creatures in such a way that it has both the good and the bad qualities in varying proportions. But true saints are those who, like the legendary swan, accept only the good virtues and goodness of the world, symbolized by pure and unadulterated milk, while discarding aught and everything that is gross and mundane. The swan has the pure quality. It drinks only pure milk and leaves aside its pollutants or adulterations such as additional water that is used to dilute it to increase its volume, as done by milk merchants to get more money from the same quantity of pure milk. Saints accept all that is pure and holy and simply neglect aught that is not. Khalau karai khal pai susangu mitaina malina subhav abhangu. It is to the credit of saints and noble persons that when wicked and evil persons come in contact with such righteous and holy people, the latter are influenced by the former's positive energy and eclectic qualities, so much so that they too begin to do good and act nobly. But unholy and unrighteous people have had qualities so deeply ingrained in them, so deeply embedded in their mind and psyche, that after some initial good acts and signs of rehabilitation, they have a natural tendency and an inherent propensity to revert to their bad old ways. Parahita lagita jaijo de santata santa prasansahi te. Saints always praise those people who lay their lives for the good and welfare of others. Those who are selfless and helpful to the extent that they would not mind suffering and offering their lives for the good of others are truly saintly persons. They are lauded and praised by other saints because such persons uphold the tradition of saintly persons. Parahita bas jin ke man mahin tinha kahu jagadullah kachu nahi. It is an established principle that those creatures who have the well-being and welfare of others in their heart, nothing is impossible for them in this world. Now, it can be inferred here that it is an established principle of dharma that those who are selfless and have the interest of others in their mind and heart, there is nothing that is not possible or inaccessible for them. In other words, salvation and emancipation, liberation and deliverance is yours now without doubt. The message here is plain and simple. A person who has the interest of others in the heart, who works selflessly for the good and welfare of other creatures, there is nothing that is difficult for them. The whole world becomes their friend. All people are ever eager to see that his needs are met, and he doesn't have to suffer in any way. Anything desired by him is fulfilled on a priority basis by those who have benefited from him, and since all have been his beneficiary in one way or the other, people regard as an honor to serve him as a gesture of their gratitude towards him. Sri Ram Jaya Ram Jai Jai Ram Ram Lakhana Shiya Sundar Shyama.